Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I like to share a couple of hauls. I recently received a Temu order and I also have an older AliExpress purchase. Let's dive right in. I will link the prices that I paid for these items here on the screen. However, sometimes the prices go up and down. The first thing that I picked up are these tiny word sticker sheets, and I saw Sharon from Cheap to Chic haul these. I will link her channel down below. They are so pretty. You get 2 sets of each, and they come in these really nice pastel colors. They're stickers, and they're just perfect for embellishments and junk journaling. These I did pay $1.58, and I think there's 8 sheets. That's a really good deal for sticker sheets. The next thing that I picked up are these tiny fruits, and these are for nail art, but I use mine for shakers and for my fruit projects. They did come in this really cute little case, and these were only 71 cents. And I will be showing some projects on how I used these. The next is this lemon die. I think it was Stace that showed this, but I had already purchased it, but I will also link her channel down below. I'm pretty sure that's who it was, that she purchased the same die, and in the photo on Temu, it does show the slice and it does not come with that. It is a shaker and it's about 2 3/4 inches. Which is a cute size for card making anyway. But let me show you the card that I made using this die. Here it is. I love it so much. It's so summery fun. I did make the lemon into a shaker. The leaves embossed really nice. I added one of my dewdrops. And let me show you the other products that I used to create this card. The yellow ribbon was a score from a yard sale. I've been using so much of this. The thank you, you are the zest. That is a stamp from this Queen & Company fruit basket kit. Those are the stamps. I have all of these that the kit came with. This is the only sentiment that I used. And it does have dies in there, and they are shaker dies. Here you see the little lemon play bits. And I also put some in my shaker, and that is from these fruits. The cherry is from this old Jolie's sticker pack. The leaves that I use behind the lemon is from this Sizzix set right here. And I also use some sequin from Stamper's Journey, some Martha Stewart ones, and then these sequins from my stash. And I was doing a trial color of some dewdrop. It wasn't the color I was looking for, but that was the color that I ended up using on this lemon right here. This is the project using the lemon shaker die, and this was $1.98. If anyone is looking for a link, you just leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to link the item. The next die that I purchased is this bunny border. It is just under 4 inches. It's super cute. It's really tiny, about 3/4 of an inch high. And this bunny die was 99 cents. Just made a super quick card using it. It cuts really nicely for how small it is. I used a cloud punch, just inked up the sides, and I did cut one of the little bunnies off so I could use them on the inside. That was cute. I did pick up this heart die. This was 48 cents. This I picked up to share with a Happy Mail swap that I'm doing. And that's actually a nice size too. It's about 4.5. I picked up this kitty cat border, and it is about 4 1/4 as well. The thing with this die is it has that weird edge, so your paper has to be within that edge if you want these to cut out. And then they're just kind of like hanging out there because there's nothing below them. Here's the project that I created. So this was also 48 cents, and this is the project that I created using it. What I ended up doing was cutting it a few times in different colors of the kitty cats, and then I drew on my own eyes, and I backed it with some very light pink for the mouths. We have the black kitty, the orange. I just made eyes on this one, and then this gray one. And I had this paper in my stash, so I thought I would just have them above the fish looking down, and then I just stamped meow meow. I bought 2. Someone will be in the drawing to win this. To enter, be a subscriber. You have to be 18 years or older. This is not sponsored. I purchased the die with my own funds and be in the US. Sorry, international friends, due to the shipping. And then just leave me a comment down below on which project you liked the best from this video. And that's it, guys. You'd be entered to win, and I could send you off this little kitty cat die. 18 years or older, be a subscriber of my channel, It's not sponsored, and leave a comment down below which was your favorite project of what I'm showing today. Okay, so moving on from that one, the next thing that I picked up is this very large stamp and die set. Maxine, I will link her channel down below. I'm a pretty new follower to her. She hauled this and I immediately went online and purchased it. When she showed how large this cherry die was, I knew I had to have it. It is 4.5 inches and it is a shaker, which is amazing. And then it also had a matching stamp set, which is wonderful. It says, "You're the cherry on top, sweet, have a birthday, thank you, cherry much, I love you, you are a cherry, oh happy day." It's so cute. It stamped so well. It cuts so well. But let's see. So the cherry stamp was $1.98 and the cherry die was $2.18. Pretty good deal for this size. Here is the project that I created using it. I love how it turned out. I'm obsessed with making these fruit projects. I cannot help it. Now, I did not glue this down yet because I just wanted to show you how nice it is as a shaker. It's cut so well. I did paper pierce on the inside before I glued it together so the leaf would be green. I also glue some of my sequin into place so not everything sinks down to the bottom. I added some liquid pearls. I did stamp with the cherry stamp set the inside, and I will be adhering this to the card. We have a little lemon sticker with some trim that I've stapled to the top. Did some paper layering using some paper from Hobby Lobby. I just put together the pieces of the stamp to say have a sweet birthday, some washi, and another lemon that I had in my stash. It was from this old Jolie's sticker set. These liquid pearls that I used, and I used these sequin and these seed beads. These are actually, I think, glass beads, so they're a little bit smaller than the seed beads. I used the trim from a yard sale and this cherry ribbon that I had in my stash. This is so fun and cute. I love it so much. I'm just obsessed. Okay, and any channels that I mention, I will be sure to link them down below. Moving along to my AliExpress haul. The first thing that I picked up are these shadowed words, and they are the Christmas ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them that came in the set, and they were $5.09. Let me show you how they cut out, and they're all a nice size. We have jolly, merry, ho ho ho, sleigh ride, oh what fun, and believe. That was the first one. Then over here, I did pick up the Easter bunny silhouette shaker. It came with some little parts, glasses that tie the bunny tail. I think this is part of it. Probably. I don't remember there being 3 pieces. I think that might be part of it. But here's how it cut out. This made it into the shaker. She's so cute. I added a bow. I used foam to help create the shaker more easy. And I added little eyelashes, and I picked those up in another Temu. And she's about 3 inches. So cute. With the other parts that are the negatives, I was able to create a couple of these little bunnies. Look at how cute she is. Adorable. This also was from a Temu die set. It's so fun. Just used one of the hearts and this little punch out, and I also added fun foam to some of them. So super happy with that. And these were shaker bunny. It was $3.19. I picked up these ribbon holders, and there was 2 in the set, like a larger and a smaller. So this is the outline, and that's the middle, and you line them up when you put them together. 2 sizes. This one is a really large one. It is about 5.5 inches. This one is about 4 inches. Those for both of them were $5.89. And let me show you how they cut out. Here's the large one. And I used some scrap paper, and that's how I'm storing some of my ribbon right now. Here's the smaller one. And I was doing a trial to see how it would hold up with ribbon on it for some Happy Mail. I did stamp a little hello down there because I planned on sending this out. Those came out really good. They cut really nicely. All right, and the next die that we have is this Ruffle die. This is the large set, and this was $4.29. This die was not easy to use. The lines that are supposed to emboss did not emboss, so I pretty much just had to make the ruffle myself, and at that point you could do it without the die. But this is how it turned out. Kind of wonky. I had to use a whole lot of glue, and like I said, I ended up just making my own ruffle and making it work. I think it would have been better if I used double-sided paper so you wouldn't see the white from the background. There we go. And the last die that I purchased from AliExpress is the Marshmallow set. It comes with a couple different marshmallows. They are shakers. They have bows and little faces. I only cut one of them out. I didn't do it in the shaker. I just did it in the simple marshmallow. She's so cute. I love their little eyelashes, and I just made some pink frosting and inked it. I did put up on fun foam just to give it some dimension, and it's super cute. This one is about 2.5 inches. So fun. And that's it, guys. That is my Temu and AliExpress haul. If you are looking for any of the items, please just leave me a comment and I can send you the link if you're not able to find them. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.